So often people say, what were they thinking? I mean, daily, when you watch local news, I mean, I stay as far away from it as I can, but every once in a while, if I get a peek of it, daily people are being murdered. I mean, a murder is supposed to be something that, like if it's not supposed to happen at all, but if it does, maybe once every 100 years or once every 500 years or something. Every day in every city, in almost every city, there's something going down. Something is going down, and people want to say, what were they thinking? We got to change that. It's not what were they thinking, what were they what? Eating. What? Okay, now there's a trigger warning. This next picture, if just bear with, I don't know, the kids might want to turn away or something. I don't know. It doesn't bother me. I know some people got the clown thing. I never understood the clown phobia. But this is the reality here. What were they eating? That's where the death is coming from, the murder, the rape, the debauchery, and this psycho pizza clown man, all that is coming from, again, humans getting away from natural diet. And the more that you eat yourself away from who you are, you turn into whatever kind of metaphor, zombie, sheeple, whatever it is. I mean, you're going to turn into that if you continue to get away from the essence of who you are. Well, what do we do about it? How can we solve this problem? First of all, keep calm. We don't want to get into the mucusless diet, in my opinion, based on fear. Certain fears. As I talk to a lot of people that they're really scared if they're going through certain ailments, and it is scary. I mean, it's scary to go through these eliminations, these ailments. I mean, they're real. The symptoms are totally real. And it can take a lot of effort and a lot of time to work yourself through these issues. But we have to try and keep calm, first and foremost. And I like to say, then we study and transition. So keep calm, study, and transition. And the shameless plug for the... But the thing is, the reason that I publish these books is, one, because people weren't talking enough about Arnold Ehret's work. And there was no kind of movement behind it. Nothing was just, there's some books that have been sold that a handful of people would buy every year, but there wasn't anybody talking about it or anything. So I said, okay, let's get this information. So this was my solution, just for me personally. I was okay, what was I going to do about it? Well, let me try to make the information available. I can't force people to listen. I can't force people to check it out or like it or like me or anything like that. I'm not worried about that. Just my solution was, I'm going to put the information out there. What people choose to do with it, that's what they do. Put the information out there, then come together as a community and put together events like this and start to build, continue to build. But I'm an advocate for study and transition. You always hear me say that.